Okay guys, now today I will be filming the Nerf Retaliator. Yep, it's the Retaliator. Now, this is why this is my favourite gun. It's not my favourite gun. It's got, you can put 3 scopes on here. So you've got 1, 2, 3. And it will come with a stock that will come off like that, and then you can tug it around. Then you got your holes there. So that's a really nice stock. Best stock I've seen on a Nerf gun. And this gun has 3 guns in one. So there's 1 gun. Okay, now let's just, okay, now this is how you get it off. See this? Push it down and just slips off. And there's 2. My brother uses this one. It's too big for him. So, and this one, and you've got your access, which is right here. I don't know if you can see this. And you can put your bullet in there. There's a bullet, you can push it down, all that. So it says access on there. And this is called a Retaliator. Every, I think this is I don't know. This is a Elite End Strike. So all of them have a name. So they'll have a name for a gun. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a Retaliator. Okay, now. So yeah, and it won't work if this bit is on like that. You won't be able to pull it out. And it's got a nice 20 meters. I actually checked and it didn't really have 20 meters exactly. So it's a pretty good, nice gun. And then you got your barrel. I kind of found this hard. Not that hard. So you can just go like, get the barrel and go like that. So I didn't snap it. That's how it's supposed to be. And then there is your 3rd gun. So big, like a pistol, and it has a magazine down here. And this bit. And then, I don't know if you guys can see again. If you can see that, you just go to here. No, wrong way. Go like that. Put it, slip it, it'll slip in, and just get it back in. And the aim is not very good. Well, on any Nerf gun, it's not very good. When you shoot, it'll shoot really far. Well, not super far. It's not a long range gun. It can act like a sniper. You put this bit on. You can act like a sniper, just thing down. So I recommend this gun. It's a nice gun. It's comfortable. Like some of the other guns weren't as comfortable. You can just put it there, and then you can just right there, and then boom, you can shoot. And I forgot to tell you guys that there's another piece. Sorry about that. There's another piece that you can attach on here. Look, there. You can attach that on there. Just get it on, and it'll snap in. And then you can, and then it is really comfortable now. And just go. So pull back, and then pull forward, and then shoot. Pull back, forward. Try to get the camera. Oh yeah, I think I got it. And then shoot. So this is a nice gun. I recommend it. See how I can't get it out. And if you use 2, and it won't come out solid. It's solid. Then you go like that. Come out slow, smooth and nice. And it carries 12 bullets. that's a really good reason about this gun. And I got it because, like, and you can see, like that, you can see through there. And yeah, it's just a really nice gun. And, yeah, really good gun. I love it. It's the best gun ever. And unfortunately, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked. Click the like. And I'll see you another day for another one of my Nerf videos.